Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, you will learn how to organize a knowledge base into categories and sections in BoldDesk. Content organization plays a vital role in building a knowledge base that helps users quickly navigate and locate articles. Effective labeling is crucial for managing the knowledge base, and it allows readers to quickly find the needed information. A clear organizational structure for a knowledge base aligns with the business framework. This structure should include categories and sections to make it easy for the customers to navigate. First, let's see how to organize KB categories. A category is the root-level folder for the sections and articles. I'll sign in to my BoldDesk account as an agent and navigate to the KB module. Then, click the Create button and select Category. On the page that opens, I enter the category name and description. Then, choose the category icon from the library or system with proper dimensions. Next, choose the sorting order. Based on the specified sorting order, the articles under this category will be sorted by default. In the Brands section, I select the brands where this category will be used. Next, I choose the visibility for the category. The supported view permissions for the category are any users, which allows the articles to be publicly visible to all users, logged in users, visible only to logged in users, any agents, visible only to agents, specific agent groups, which allows only users within the selected group, and specific contact groups, visible to a selected contact group. Categories and articles will be visible based on the option chosen. Also, I can enable the option to file a new ticket if any unfavorable customer feedback is received for an article. Then, I select an assignee for that ticket. If no assignee is specified, the ticket will be assigned to the article's author by default. Finally, I click Add to create a category. Categories are listed in the Manage Articles section. Here, there is also an option to reorder the categories by simply dragging and dropping them to the preferred positions. The categories are arranged sequentially within the customer portal, according to their respective positions. Next, let me show you how to organize KB sections. Sections can exclusively be organized within designated categories. In the Manage Articles section, I'll select a category in which to create a section and click the plus icon. Then, select New Section option. This will open a page to add a new section. Here, I enter the section name and description and click Add. Additionally, there is an option to add subsections within categories by clicking the plus icon within its respective section. It is important to note that a category can only support up to 4 hierarchical levels of sections. You can rearrange or relocate sections by utilizing the drag and drop feature. This functionality enables you to change their positions or transfer them from one category to another. Also, the Move option allows you to transfer sections to other categories. Now, let's move on to organizing articles into categories and sections. You can set the location for your KB articles in different ways. Let me demonstrate. First, during an article creation, I select a category, then a section if any, in which the articles are to be listed. By default, articles listing will be ordered based on the sorting option set for the category, which can be modified as needed. If the category's sorting order is selected as position, you can rearrange the articles by clicking the Reorder option on the category's article listing page. Next, I click the More Options icon next to the article to be reordered. This will display options like Move to Top, Move to Bottom, and Move to Position, which allows manual setting of the article's position by specifying a number. Next, let's see how to move articles between categories or sections. The option to move articles allows agents to clearly define and modify article locations. On the article global or category listing page, I click the More Options icon next to the article to be moved. Then, select Move option. A pane will open to move the article to a different location, and the article's current location will be disabled. Select the location for the article and click Move here. Finally, to manage categories and sections, there are options to edit or delete a category or section by clicking the More Options icon. When sections or articles in the category are deleted, a confirmation dialog box will open with options to select either delete sections and articles in this category or move sections and articles to another category. The deleted articles are moved to the Deleted Articles section and can be restored by clicking the Restore option. In the video, I demonstrated how to organize a knowledge base into categories and sections. I also demonstrated creating and managing categories, as well as creating, managing, and moving sections and articles. If you found this video useful, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.